Hello everyone. Today we will be making a simple addition calculator. So in this program, all we're going to do is make C become A plus B. So A is the input. But because this has to be an integer, we have to put int input. This just turn whatever is inside into an integer. But it will not work if you put anything other than numbers in. And then B is also the same as A. So another integer, so we put that. And C is A plus B. Remember to put the C in the front or else it will not work. And then we can just print C. And if you run it, as you can see, we can write 4 and 6 and we'll just write 10. Now this is a bit confusing because it will just have nothing and you think your program's gone wrong. So what we can do is put A equals B equals here. So now you have a hint on what to do. So then you can just write a number and another number. And here you can write A plus B equals and then comma and then C. So what this is going to do is just 4, 6, and then A plus B equals 10. Now that you've seen an addition calculator, can you make a subtraction calculator? This is all for today. See you next time.